Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw an Audi R8 using an easy method. We'll start by laying down the fundamental shapes that define this iconic sports car. Think of it as building a foundation. First, sketch a long, low rectangle for the main body, then add a slightly smaller, angled rectangle on top for the cabin. Remember to use very light pencil strokes at this stage. This allows for easy adjustments as we refine the proportions. This initial step is crucial for getting the car's sleek stance just right. Now that we have our basic structure, let's start giving the Audi R8 its recognizable form. Gently connect your initial rectangles with smooth, continuous lines to create the car's sleek silhouette. Next, draw 4 circles for the wheels, paying attention to their placement and size relative to the body. Don't forget to sketch the unique side blade element and the defined lines for the front and rear bumpers. These details really start to bring the car to life, so take your time. With the main body taking shape, it's time to add some of the Audi R8's most striking features. Carefully draw the headlights and taillights, paying close attention to their sharp, modern angles. Next, sketch the prominent trapezoidal front grille and the surrounding air intakes, which are key to the R8's aggressive look. Don't forget smaller but important details like the door lines, side mirrors, and the distinctive exhaust pipes at the rear. These elements truly define the car's character. We're almost there. Now, carefully erase all the initial construction lines, leaving only your refined drawing. This step makes a huge difference in the final presentation. Then, begin adding shading to give your Audi R8 depth and dimension. Think about where light would hit and where shadows would fall to emphasize the car's sleek curves and contours. A little shading can make your drawing pop. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space as clean as your drawing lines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.